Put the honey over it. This is heaven. Hello, good morning. Welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to make a delicious pancake for breakfast. So I have 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 1.25 cup of full cream milk. Today I use cold milk, 1 chicken egg, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 3.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and some salt. We're going to put the flour, we're going to sieve the flour first, and the baking powder, we're going to sieve them together. See, some baking powder, there are still lumps. Alright, flour is ready. Let's put in the sugar. This is 1/8 teaspoon of salt, so I'm going to put it in, and we're going to mix it. So I'm going to make a well in the center, like that, and I'm going to pour in the wet ingredients. Let's go in with the milk first, melted butter, and egg, and the cooking oil, and we're going to mix it just like that. I try not to over mix the ingredients because we don't want the air to come out too much. That's all. This kind of consistency that we wanted. So I'm going to take it out. All right, let's go and fry it. For frying pancake, I'm going to use cooking oil to fry it. So just put in the very little oil. Spread the oil in over the pan. When the pan is hot, I'm going to reduce it low to medium heat. And we're going to use this 1/4 cup to scoop the pancake. So I'm going to just wet it with the oil. We're going to scoop it. For the first pancake, right, we always try it first, and we're going to put in half a scoop first. Just pour it, and leave it. Fry the pancake, we will turn it only once. When the pancake started to cook, it will have an air bubble around the pancake. And when the side here started to cook, and then at that time we're going to flip it. When making pancake, the more air bubble it has, the better. That's why I don't want to over mix the pancake, so we don't want the air to release too much. You see, there is an air bubble here, and at the side of the pancake is already cooked. It's time to flip it. Oh, it's nice. The first pancake is always the one that we try it first. So you will know the consistency of the heat and the pancake batter, so you will know how long you want to cook. So in this case, for the first side, I will cook slightly lesser time. It is quite brown, so if we cook slightly lesser time, it will be just perfect. So for this pancake, it's already cooked, so we can just take it off. All right. You see, that is some remains of the first pancake. I'm going to switch off the heat first and gonna clean the pan a bit. Right, switch on the heat again, put it into low heat, and put in a little bit of oil. Now we're going to put in 1 scoop. All right, then we just wait for it. Notice that have a lot of air bubble around it, and at the side here almost cooked. Just a couple more seconds, we're going to turn it. From the other side, it has the air bubble too. You will notice that, you can notice that this is rising up, so meaning that it's already okay. I am going to take it off. Okay, and let's see. Nice, look at that. So we're going to continue to make some more pancake. You notice that all this air bubble from the side of the pancake, the more air bubble is in there, and the more fluffy the pancake will be. Beautiful. Altogether we have 7 giant pieces of the pancake, but it become like a fish pancake now. Look at the fish pancake. I don't know whether it look like a fish or a rabbit, but never mind. It's delicious like that. All this giant pancake, it can be 5 tiers, 6 tiers, up to you. Orange jam here. Or if you want, you can just put the honey over it. Oh, this is heaven. This is real heaven. Wow. Such a lovely pancake. I can't wait to eat. So we're going to just take one from here. This kind of pancake is really huge pieces. Advisable to take not more than 2 pieces. It's delicious, but else you're gonna have food coma. Wow, look at that. So good. Pancake is very soft, very moist and fluffy. We eat with the honey. It is sweet, a bit of sour from strawberry jam, slightly orangey flavor from the marmalade. This is really good breakfast. I give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my variety home cooked food like this. Thank you and bye bye.